What about that there? Can you get them all in? Let me see. Get that bottom one. Nah, what a result. Here we are again for another episode of Northern Ireland Fishing Reports. We're back after our Ling session the other day where we caught quite a few Ling and some Wrasse. Today we're going to be doing a bit of mackerel fishing. We're trying to catch some bait and we're going to be doing an overnight fish, and we're going to be doing hopefully a couple of part video. So I might make this video into a couple of different parts because it'll be a bit long. So follow us along. We will get a bit of night fishing going. Hopefully we'll get some tips for you or show you what we're doing, and we'll get some decent fish. So roll on the fishing.
Ready.
There we go. We stringing them there, whip them up. You on?
Oh no, we're here.
Oh, here we go. Yeah. More mackerel. So we're starting to gather our bait, which is good. I'm trying to fill them with one hand. Bear with me till I get my fish. Oh, reel. There we go. Oh, one of them's getting knackered.
What am I going to do here with the product?
What?
What am I going to do with these now?
Throw them down here, hang on.
Oh, I got one going.
Well, anyway, we've got our bait. We'll get them off the hook, get them into the bucket. Happy days. The mackerel drums are playing. So we're under control now. Everything went a bit mad there. We got ourselves 5 mackerel, and we lost a couple while we were trying to get them into the boat by dangling them over the side, and a couple fell off. Silly us. But nonetheless, we'll keep going, we'll get a bit more and try and build up some bait for tonight's night fish. The conditions are a bit choppy. There's no wind, but where we're fishing here around this island, you get quite a strong current when the tide's going out, coming from that far side there. And then obviously the opposite, whenever it's coming in, it's quite deep water. A big shelf underneath us. So we'll continue to fish, try and get some bait, and then we'll change it up later on. We've had this wee fish here, we'll show you it. Wee rockfish. Maybe look at that. Maybe small thing, but they're kind of like a sort of like a monkfish. They have the same sort of shape. Got quite a lot of spines on them. So you have to take them off with the cloth, but he's not one you get all the time. Cool looking wee thing. And anyway, we shall take him off and put him back. But that's a wee extra bonus one for the day. And that puts you one species in front.
Same species, you don't see him.
No, he's caught a mackerel and that, so that counts as 2 species. So we'll get it off and then we'll keep going. So we're going to have a wee look around here, and we've got this Ray Marine Dragonfly 4. I'm not sure if we can make it out. And what we're doing is we're looking for shoals of mackerel, which I'd sitting around in the drift. Well, it isn't working out. I will do a video actually on this fish finder at one point, so stay tuned for that. Although it's not showing anything at the minute, but we'll keep going and see what we came up with and get more bait. Okay, so we were coming along and we noticed all these bubbles here, quite a lot of them, so we thought we'll give here a go. And I haven't even got into the water, but I've hooked into something. Is it still there? It's quite choppy, so I'm trying to keep myself still and do a bit of film at the same time. Hopefully it's more bait. Oh, what have we got? Here, a wee mini cod and a mackerel. So, that's good. A wee cod, small one, and a mackerel. The mackerel's getting kept. Cod can go back. It's his lucky day. It's only a wee baby. Very good. Right, so I'll have a look this time. See what we've got.
Mackerel, I think. No, cheers.
Oh no, there's a big, well, there's a ling on there too, yeah. Drag it over, drag it over. Oh, it's on yours.
That's because we've been twisting it around there.
Yeah. Another ling. We've been catching a lot of them recently, haven't we? There we are.
You want to throw it back?
A ling. Very good. Big eels, they look like. That's what they are. Right. Now. Lovely mess to untangle. I'll do that now. As soon as it hit the bottom, I just put it down. Hopefully it's a couple of mackerels. No. What is it? Ah,
That's a wee waiting.
it's a wee waiting. Well, anyway. He can do his bait for like a conger or whatever later on. So we'll keep him. Oh, very good.
On that, couldn't you? On the lane.
Sausages. Yeah, you could put a wee camera on it.
Just to see what the bottom's like.
Look how calm it is now. Beautiful. Although, not too many mackerel. Come on, the mackerel, hurry up. We've got a couple, but not many. So here we are, here's the troops. And the seagulls are making themselves, wee Stephen there's making himself known. That nicey bugger. Anyway, so far we've had a ling, a few mackerel. It's been kind of slow. We were originally just trying to get some mackerel built up for our night fishing. The water has really calmed down now. It is absolutely fantastic. It's like a mirror. And it's supposed to stay like this during the night till tomorrow. So, taking advantage of it. We're going to stay out tonight. Not sure what way this video will go. But we're enjoying our wee munch for now. And the sun. It is roasting hot. So after we get our lunch, we're going to head over to the lighthouses. See if we can catch something over there. Usually get some ling, wrasse. Well, we got them in our last video anyway. And again, hopefully we'll head into some mackerel. We've only got 5 and a whiting and some ling as bait.
Couple of cod.
We're thinking about eating the ling. We could do that. Maybe do a wee video. I've never really tried it. Have you tried it? Have you ever tried ling before?
Never tried ling before.
Yeah, we could fry some up and see what it tastes like.
Oh, see what it tastes like. I've
Yeah.
never tried ling.
We could do a wee video about that. Catch and cook ling.
Who's there with these, but we'll be able to tomorrow.
Well, anyway, we'll get the sausages for now. We're not going to starve. So we'll do that. Get lunch, then we'll see you after lunch.
That'll be. Hey, cheers, man.
Just by the bait, I think it was something small. Does it feel heavy or fighting much?
There's
Oh,
some
maybe.
mackerel.
Oh, the mackerel will be good.
I don't think it is a mackerel.
Yeah, there's mackerel.
No, it's that's a couple of different things there.
Oh, it looks like a
You've got a
cod.
cod, a mackerel.
Species?
You have 2 cod and a
Two
mackerel.
cod and a mackerel.
Well done.
You got a cod in the mackerel there earlier on too. Swing them this way. That's us. Rock and roll. We'll put the wee cod back, wee cod ones. Wee codling.
Yeah, you want to hold that camera?
There you go. And a wee mackerel. That's good. No. He's into the keeper bucket. I'll show you this bigger one out of the two. I'll put this one back. There you go. Quick, 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 quick. Very good.
Stephen, not get him though.
Didn't I get it?
No, they didn't get it.
That's next big one.
There we go.
That's a nice one.
A wee codling.
That's nice of you.
Very cool.
Very bad.
Well done, Jim.
Ding 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 ding. Right, anyway, maybe quick. Go quick, little fishy. Go quick before the seagulls get you. You don't want to get in his way.
Get a backlash snack for it.
Yeah, you'll feel his waves in a minute or two. So it seems like the big man here is wiping the floor of the day.
4 species so far.
Aye, another four speed. I've only caught a mackerel.
Right on cod, I'm out.
It's cracker day today too, isn't it? There's Stephen out there. Stephen and all his Steve Annual friends. Aye, see, you heard me talking about him.
You're not that.
Just keep pulling there. Yeah. Your arms will be killing you with them, Mara.
I think it's worth it.
Oh, no way, did it get off?
It's still on.
After all that?
Oh, take it
Oh,
off,
no.
What a blank.
Oh,
What a
At the
blank.
last minute.
all that reeling for nothing.
Oh, but he got off at the last minute.
Aye, aye, dead on. There's a bit of seaweed down there is what it was. Okay, so he's trying to redeem himself there. He just dropped it straight back down and he hit straight back into whatever it was he had the first time. So, he's a lot of reeling to do again.
Before they get off again.
More reeling.
Is he, well, yeah, not tipping, no.
Yes, we're recording.
Oh, sorry. That's right. Yo.
Steven Seagal over there is giving it some.
Mackerel, I think.
Well, hopefully it's it. Hopefully it
I
is.
think it is.
It ran up with it. I seen you getting a loose
Oh,
line and then it
loose
came up
line,
the way. Yeah.
I thought it was caught in
Yeah, I actually thought something had happened there for a wee second. When the mackerel take it, they come up and grab it and head up the way. That is too, yeah. Mackerel. A decent sized one too. The size of that. That's a good chunky one there. Grab a whole lot there.
at the bungo drum.
Alright. That's a good eating one there. Grab that.
Okay.
Let's see.
You can fry it.
Yeah, well, we'll try eating it.
Oh, I eat it. I eat it
Language
already.
now.
Stop doing the mackerel dance. Come on.
Right, let's have a look at it. Let's bring it up here. Let's see. That's a decent sized one. Okay, so we'll eat that one. Very good. Throw it in there. We'll eat it and we'll get it in a minute. So you've redeemed yourself. You did catch something. Aye, because it's brand new. You need to do Suzuki. Yeah.
Well, Red Bay would do it, but
Card and all that and stuff, and have to get details all changed over.
McLaughlin would do it in Red Bay because he's a Susie Yam dealer.
I was, I don't know if he's still doing it. There's, what he said was, Coley or something.
Your man, Nigel Sands, Sands Marine. They've got a
Nigel,
Suzuki
yeah.
guy. They have
Oxford
a
Island.
yeah. But it's a
Aye.
lovely engine, like it's cracker. Very good. Oh, aye, tilt and trim. We have still to do it the manual way. You just grab the end of it and drag it up. Very good. Are you just going over to the lighthouses or whatever? It's good. That's where I've noticed that the fishing's been okay at the minute. It's about 4 miles from here.
Check your fuel.
And
Aye, 'cause
check your fuel, yeah. In this water, 5 minutes.
Drains Bay, yeah?
Yeah.
Carnfunnock.
Have you got your spare fuel and all?
No, just
we're
big
not
tank.
even full power because the thing's limited.
I right enough. You still to run it in for a while. What is it for? 14 hours or 15 hours run time at like so many revs and yeah.
I wonder if I could have it governed or something.
Yeah, there's a big process for running them in.
That's class, that big seat in the back, isn't it?
Yeah. Very good. The wee seat in the back's nice. I like the way that the seats work.
I just hang over.
Yeah. Very good. Let's see.
Drop it out of the way.
Picture of it. Very good.
Yeah, it's fine.
Meeting another Shetland out in the middle of the sea. What about that? The chances are on out to another Shetland.
It's nothing. I've all new stuff on it.
Very good. That's class. It's nice. Hey, 2 Shetlands in the middle of the sea. What?
See the way it moves.
Yeah, underneath thigh. That's pretty good.
Very economic.
Yeah, take a wee picture so we'll remember that.
We've
What
used.
did you laugh?
Aye, loads.
I see in this weather you can get over there in 5 minutes. Like
You can order
yeah.
5 minutes,
That
but
thing's
Yours is the one that'll drink it.
So.
Oh,
it
it is
does.
pretty heavy on it.
Not even the fibres worth.
It is pretty heavy.
The maidens.
We could,
Very
but
good.
that's.
we're plenty in ours, like.
Aye, for that.
Well,
the
we
thing
didn't
is
have
out
much,
here,
so
not
wouldn't
for
it
me
be-
messing about.
What time is it? 5:45.
Well, we're not even to quarter.
Yeah, we've had a couple of mackerel today.
Sit down.
We've had about 5 mackerels today in there. They're all wee small ones, but nothing really.
Only that big. And
There's one decent
No, yeah,
sized
no,
one.
no.
The rest have been all sort of wee tiny ones. But we're hoping to gather up a bit of fresh bait for a bit of night fishing tonight. So.
I say, if I say I only got young.
Chinese.
I thought it was Chinese.
Yeah, that's a cracker. Have you owned the boat for long? Have you had it for long?
that's it.
Aye, that's the wee strips around for the rubbing your feet, for your feet rails. Did you just go over and pick it up? How much did you pay for the boat itself?
4-2.
Aye.
With the engine.
That's with the engine.
And the trailer. You
And
want
the
to see
trailer.
a trailer?
Trailer,
Brand
good
new
trailer with
trailer.
it.
Trailer's immaculate. Like new.
Oh, it was a bargain, that's why I
It
jumped
was
at
so
it.
cheap.
Guy spent 13 grand on it.
Yeah, very good. I'll take a wee video of it.
Alright, what do you want to do? Do you want to
Nice-
move over
nice
there?
wee
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm keeping
Your
a
boat,
copy
you're
of
the
the seal or
skipper.
something there. That's nice.
Why not?
Or copper.
I know, I would-
Very
See,
good.
look, he's got the floor all leveled off.
Yeah, very good. Well,
Well,
know what to
motor
do with
over
your
there.
seal. Help you out a wee bit, right?
Right, no sweat, enjoy.
Well-
Enjoy your fishing, mate. Tangled everything.
See if you're going.
Enjoy
Listen,
it.
hang on, and just literally stick it down, hit the rock, and just leave it there, and you'll get a couple of wrasse. But don't eat them. Don't eat them. Just do not eat them. They've been in the freezer for a while.
I'm in here on, so that
Yeah.
Well, we were seen anyway.
Aye, we'll see you over at some point anyway. Very good.
Thank you.
No problem.
All right, mate.
That's class.
Right, Robert, are you sitting down?
What's in my rock over there?
Yeah, just be careful. Yeah, see as you're coming up to them. Yeah, it's on low tide, so it's not so bad. On high tide, it's pretty dangerous. But see as you're coming up to them, try and not you can see that there's a big line of rocks that are dead straight to them. So come at them from an angle. Don't go
I come on
straight
the
at
right
them.
hand side. Always come on the right
Yeah.
hand side and head right.
Because it's low tide, you'll see them anyway. But if you're ever out on high tide, just be careful.
Stupid socks.
Right, gents.
Very good.
See you again.
Yeah, no problem.
Enjoy fishing.
Are you on YouTube? Any of you do YouTube or Facebook or any of that? No? No. It's alright, doesn't matter then. I was going to tell you, I make wee videos with the wee boat and all that, going about Northern Ireland and all that, and it's Northern Ireland Fishing Reports. So if you go on, yeah, if you go on to YouTube, Northern Ireland Fishing Reports, so we're making a wee video today, you'll be on it in the next video. Very good, good luck lads. Very good, see you later.
All the best.
See you later. That's a lovely engine you've got there, really nice.
Jump, they're diving. They're diving over there.
Another Shetland.
Hey, guys.
See you later.
Who's David?
The birds.
There we are. Imagine meeting another Shetland out in the middle of the sea. Very good. And off they go. And a wee fishing tip. And a bit of bait passed to a fellow fisherman. and I hope they catch something. Very good. They're good lads.
I could bring me in.
What the way is it of ours looking at from the back?
Okay, so we're into another one. Seems like a good fish. Oh, yep. Another couple of big coolies down there, sea colour. It is alright. Right. We don't need to keep all them. Right, we'll put some back and we'll eat a couple. Oh, bring it in. That's you. Drop it down. There we go. So, another 2 good coolies. Oh, can't get them off. Right, there's one off, yep. It's because I'm one-handed. It's not great. 2. So, we'll put these back because we've got a couple there to eat. Away you go. And away you go. Very good. We were doing we're having a bit of discussion. We've got in our bucket, we were going to do a catch and cook. So, in our bucket we've got a big coley that we're going to keep, and there's a couple of other 2 coleys that we're going to give to a friend, and then we've got our ling. So I think what we'll do is we'll do a taste test. We couldn't decide on which one to eat, so we'll eat them both. We'll eat the coley and the ling, and I'm not a fish eater, by the way. I don't normally like fish, so I don't like eating them. Love catching them, love going for the hunt, but I just don't like eating them. So what we'll do is we'll have a wee bit of an experiment. It's new for me as well. Are you in again? Very good.
No way, Jim.
So, bit of a taste test, and then we'll. There must be a load of coolies down there. Bet you it's another coley because it's fighting well. Coolies fight good dig, good out of them. So far the sea fishing's going well. Oh, there's another couple of them. Yeah, that's you. Stop reeling. You've reeled too far there, but anyway, let it go. Bring them back. Let it go. There's another 2 good sized coolies there. So again, take the hook out with one hand. So there's 4 coolies been caught in like the space of 2 minutes. There's one. This one. There we go. So let's see. Get you swimming away. And this one. Come here. A good chunky fish, eh? Good thick ones. Oh, nice. Very good. Very good. And there's the pedo back again from when it left the first time.
Yes.
Oh, are you away again?
Yep.
Right, this isn't it here. Hang on a second here. We'll just call this the gym show.
I'm actually right behind him and I still can't catch one.
This one should just be called the gym show.
The goat show.
The goat. Jimmy G. I know. Must be loads of them down there. Anyway, I'm gonna get to some fishing here. I've been doing filming, and if we catch anything different, we'll show you. But if it's coolies, obviously, we've seen a few, and there we go. Grab you. Come here. And away it goes. Yeah, what we'll do is I'll look on the fish finder here and I'll mark a wee waypoint. Says that. That's right where we were there a second ago, right where that boy is.
He's on the other side of the boy.
Yeah,
Right.
usually it's this side of the boy they go.
Oh.
Maybe we've got in his way. Although he should have beat this horn then, then it would have moved.
No, we actually had to go in that
Take more than the P&O to kick me out of my swim. Anyway, let's go do something there. What was it? Yep, see if I can mark a wee waypoint on this. I'm not even sure how to do it. There we go. Place waypoint.
That's how the coordinates were.
There, waypoint. Okay. There we go, waypoint created. There we go, back. Well, we've moved off that wee reef. It's just showing flat sand, flat bottom now at the minute. It was across the top of that reef where we're getting them. I've marked that waypoint, but I think we've just drifted off it.
Oh, really? So, maybe we're actually in sand over there when he was catching them, because I was at the bottom.
Right, you stop catching fish and leave some for us, alright? Look at that. We've just caught in, we're drifting over the same reef, and we've just caught a large pollock. Very good. That's again the big man here showing us how it's done. That was such a fight, and we are definitely going to be eating this one. So this is definitely going to be our eater. We'll try a few different ones. Again, as I say, we're trying to do a catch and cook as well. So watch your fingers. So we'll have a couple of different things to try, and we'll show them on video. But that's a very good pollock, and we'll try again. We've come across a wee reef. Well, we've actually just drifted off the reef, but we can go back across it. And very good.
Maybe I get a chance to get in this time to get a fish.
Nice fish. Right, into the bucket it goes, into our eating bucket. And whoa, and bait bucket. I'll actually put it out of its misery instead of its suffering.
You want me to finish, baby?
Yeah, if we keep any on. It's part of fishing. Oh. There we go. So, he's dead. Now, put that back up there. I'll give my hands a wash, and then we'll get back to it. Very good. So, again, keep hitting these massive coolies. That's a pretty decent fish. Oh, they put up a good scrap as well. But anyway, there's loads and loads of them, so I'll put them back. See you later, buddy. It's fantastic fishing. Oh.
You in as well, Jim?
Yeah, two of us are in here. A wee double.
That told me, right?
Oh, look at this. Here they come. Come on, what do you got? One? There you go. Come on, look at the bend in this road.
But I had
Look
to
at
change.
that
I had to change. I don't know what to do. If it's 2 rods to go to, I don't know what to do.
Here we see. Oh, here's a load of them on here.
I have 3.
And a bit of seaweed.
And a bit of seaweed.
Mine got away.
And a tangle.
Well, that's not as that's not that's not a catch, like Jim.
That's not a catch.
No, it's that's a catch, but yours wasn't a catch because you got away.
Look at that. For a mess.
Enjoy your mess. Maybe I can get a bit of the fishing done now.
Hang on, we'll see. Yeah. Hey, just film and take these off, and then we've got loads of these. Loads of them. We haven't even put them on camera.
There's that many.
So many of them. But they're all, every time we're dropping the line, we're getting some really good fish, and they fight really well. Well, need a pair of pliers. Where are they?
Right behind my head.
Right. Whoa. Stay there. Fishy. And here's it.
Wait, shall we?
One more.
I'm on to the boat.
Oh, just watch them get snagged. Reel it up.
Alright.